Laura from Lamplight Crochet. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this 100% cotton washcloth. It makes a nice gift. It's very easy to work up. It's beginner friendly. It's just made out of single crochet, double crochet, and slip stitch. So I'm going to show you how to make this in the next couple of videos following. We will make other spa gifts so that you can put them all together and make a basket. It's just a nice gift idea or even for personal use. So now let's get started on the project. Okay, now we're ready to begin our washcloth. I will be using Peaches and Cream 100% cotton yarn. You can use any kind of 100% cotton yarn that you want to. This will be my border color, and I will be using white for the main color of the washcloth. All right, grab your H hook, which is a 5mm, and let's make 27 chain on our hook. We need to make a slip knot, so we place the hook underneath the first strand and pull the second one down in and tighten the ends. And now we need to make 27 chain. Go to 27 and I'll see you back at 27. Okay, this washcloth will be made from single crochet, double crochet. We will be alternating those 2 stitches across every single row. And so we begin with a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So we count from the hook 1, 2 over, and we place the hook down in that second one, wrap around and pull through, and then wrap around and pull through both. That is a single crochet. The next stitch will be a double crochet. So we want to wrap the yarn around the hook and place it down in the next stitch, wrap around, pull through. Now we have 3 pieces. We wrap around and pull through 2, wrap around and pull through the last 2. That's a double crochet. The next stitch will be a single crochet. So we just place our hook down in, wrap around and pull through both. The next one will be a double. So we wrap around, place it in, wrap around and pull through, wrap around and pull through 2, wrap around and pull through 2 more. Let's continue this alternating single and double across the chain row until you get to the end. You should end on a double crochet, and then I'll show you how to turn to prepare for the next row. We'll see you there. Okay, we have finished this first row on a double crochet, and you should be ending every single row on a double crochet. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn. Then we want to place a single crochet in the very first stitch, which is the top of the double crochet from the previous row. So right down in here, we want to make a single crochet. Then we will do a double crochet in the next. A single crochet in the next. And we will just keep alternating like that. Now it's good to keep in mind that you will be making a single crochet in the top of every double crochet from the previous row and a double crochet in the top of a single crochet from the previous row. So let's continue across this row, and like I said, we should end on a double crochet. Single is next. Double is next. This is kind of fun to do. Just single, double, repeat across for the entire washcloth. We want to go 11 rows. So just continue across your row and go clear to 11 rows, and I will see you back at 11 rows. Okay, as you can see, I've finished up my washcloth except for the border, and I ended up going 14 rows. I like the size that it is at 14 rows. I don't really like my washcloths really large, so I just made it the size that you can handle it well with your hands. I have come down to the very last double crochet stitch in the last row. So we're going to change color at this point for the border, and let me show you how to do that. You wrap the yarn around the hook and place it down in the last stitch, wrap around and pull through, wrap around and pull through 2. Now our very last wrap around and pull through will be with the purple. So we're going to wrap that around and pull that through. And then we are going to chain up 1, and we are going to go into the stitch on the very corner or just the next stitch over and do a single crochet, Okay, then we're going to chain up 3. We're going to make a picot, and this is a little point on the edge for decoration. Then we're going to go down into the bottom where the single crochet was made. So we're going to place the hook back down in there and make a slip stitch so that the yarn sticks up for a little point. All right, then we will go into the next space and make a single crochet. Then the next space over, we'll make another single crochet. This is really just kind of guesswork here along the edge of each row. And you can try and stay in 1 stitch per row, but you might do 1 extra from time to time to fill in a space. So after we have skipped and we have done 1 stitch without a picot, now we are doing a picot in the next one. So we chain up 3, and we are going down into the base again where the single crochet was made, wrapping around and pulling all the way through for a slip stitch. Then we go into the next one and make a single crochet. And then we go into the next one and make a single crochet with chain 3. Go back down into the single crochet base and make a slip stitch to form a picot. So we are doing that all the way around. So we'll be doing single crochet with no picot next, then a single crochet with a picot. So let's do that one more time. This one is without a picot. This one is with a picot. So we just pull that through, chain 3, go back down into the base where I call it the base, the single crochet stitch, and pull that on through. Okay, so we just want to do that around the whole edge until we come back around, and then we're just going to slip stitch back into the bottom portion there. I'll meet you back there and I'll show you the end result. And here is our beautiful finished product. This is 100% cotton yarn. The purple color is called Black Currant in Peaches and Cream. And I tried to place a picot, which is a point. I believe that's a French word and it means point or peak, at every single corner. And you can just judge that as you go around. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and share my videos with those who like to crochet. The next couple of videos, I'm going to have some other products that feature a whole set of spa things. So I have the washcloths, and then I have a couple more items coming up that you can put together for a spa set. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time here at Lamplight Crochet.